Imagine a world where data is decentralized, secure, and accessible to anyone. Sounds like science fiction, right? But today, we're going to explore the shocking truth about Web3 and AI integration. The convergence of these two technologies has the potential to revolutionize the way we access, share, and use data. As we speak, Web3 is transforming the way we interact with the internet. Blockchain technology is making it possible to create decentralized applications, dApps, that are secure, transparent, and scalable. But what happens when we combine Web3 with artificial intelligence? The result is a technology that can learn, adapt, and predict user behavior like never before.
The integration of Web3 and AI is a game changer for several reasons. Firstly, it enables the creation of personalized experiences for users. With AI-powered dApps, users can expect tailored recommendations, personalized content, and optimized user interfaces. Secondly, it enhances the security of Web3 applications. AI can detect and prevent cyber attacks, ensuring that user data remains secure and private.
But what about the controversy surrounding Web3 and AI integration? Some argue that this convergence will lead to mass surveillance, where AI-powered dApps collect and analyze user data without consent. Others claim that it will create a new class of digital divide, where only those with access to AI-powered dApps will be able to participate in the decentralized economy.
Despite these concerns, the future impact of Web3 and AI integration is undeniable. Imagine a world where healthcare, education, and finance are accessible to anyone, anywhere, at any time. AI-powered dApps can analyze medical records, provide personalized treatment plans, and predict patient outcomes. Similarly, AI-powered educational platforms can offer customized learning experiences, adaptive assessments, and real-time feedback.
So, what can you do to participate in this Web3 and AI revolution? Firstly, stay informed about the latest developments in Web3 and AI integration. Secondly, explore AI-powered dApps and Web3 platforms that align with your interests and goals. Finally, join the conversation and share your thoughts on the future of Web3 and AI integration.
In conclusion, the convergence of Web3 and AI is a powerful force that's changing the tech industry forever. As we move forward, it's essential to prioritize user security, transparency, and accessibility. By doing so, we can create a Web3 and AI ecosystem that benefits everyone, not just a select few.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on Web3, AI, and technology news.